Hi everyone, my name is Samantha LaFrance and I'm the undergraduate mentee for this project. My graduate mentor is Jason Francois and we will be presenting our Asterisk project, which is on facial recognition with the Intel Neurocompute Stick 2 and Raspberry Pi 3. To introduce the project and provide some background, our project focused on edge computing, which allows for computation and data storage outside the cloud. So with the Intel Compute Stick and Raspberry Pi, we were able to edge compute computer vision for real-time analysis and response. The Intel OpenVINO toolkit is what was used to test pre-trained image classifications and object detection models.
We had three main objectives for the project. First was to deploy the facial detection program on the neural compute stick. Second, to provide input from an image, moving picture, and live stream. And last, to aim for 90% accuracy for the dataset.
To continue, the testing was done by building image classifiers and image detectors using the Intel Compute Stick and the latest version of the OpenVINO toolkit. Then algorithms were used to learn facial feature patterns in order to provide an identity. From that information, a deep neural network model would then be displayed on the Raspberry Pi. As for the project configuration, the hardware equipment used was an Intel Compute Stick 2, which was used to provide the functionality of a computer system onto the Raspberry Pi, which has served as a monitor or visual for the compute stick. The software used was the Intel OpenVINO toolkit, which allowed for understanding of the project and subject testing.
Here are some examples from our image dataset. As you can see, the program places a pink box once the face has been detected. This showed an accuracy of 100% for the faces detected within the image dataset. Overall, the project was successful in detecting faces and providing useful information. An obstacle that we faced involved the installation of software dependencies. Adjustments were made to run the program smoothly and prevent future software crashes. To mitigate these issues, we recommend carrying multiple versions of the facial detection program. In the future, we will introduce motion pictures into the dataset to test the facial recognition accuracy. We also plan to use another neural compute stick to test the program performance on a parallelized system.
Now we would like to thank Asterix, the Intel Corporation, and Dr. Shonda Bernardin for providing this learning experience. Thank you for listening, and now the floor is open to any questions and or comments.